Now coming to how many months of GA did you study?
Actually, for GA, I focused only of 6 months, like what the current affairs, like for other things that are happening. But other than that, I think that we should not focus on the number of months actually, because some questions are asked. Some topic will come in the news, and the related basics will be asked, or the related some 2 years ago something would have happened. They will ask by giving a link to that. Even the government schemes part, especially.
Yeah.
So in that actually EduTap, I used to watch the government schemes part which ma'am does of 10-15 minutes videos. So I really liked her approach towards the schemes actually, because she used to not only teach the currently announced schemes. She used to touch all those which came in the news, either it is 2 years old or 3 years old.
Yeah.
So that kind of approach is very much important, because the examiner who is setting paper is also thinking what is in news, what is happening around. So they are not having in the mind I should ask in between the 6 months of time or 1 year of time. So we should have that clarity. How the examiner has the purview while they are setting the paper.